You guys see that plane just do that. It's the safe mode, which I do not have engaged, and it still does that. Left, right, up, down, left, right. Okay. Let's have a little fun. Right now, the wind is super still, so it should be a nice flight. You know what I forgot? I forgot my lanyard, so I guess I gotta keep my hands on this at all times. Sorry about the sun, folks. Like I said, it's a really pretty morning here. There's no wind at all. And even the mosquitoes are not out. So that's a really good thing. At least for now. Ooh, that was a close one, wasn't it? Let's bring it around from the other side. How's that? I'm at 65% power on that. So you can see it really, the little plane really moves, especially if you have a 3S 4000 in it. It does throw the weight off a little bit. So when you're doing like rolls, it does throw it off the CG. But as you can see, it flies pretty straight and narrow once you got it trimmed out. Let's do another low speed pass. High speed pass. Let's do 50% power. This plane has no safe mode on it. I mean, I have absolutely no safe mode. The safe mode is in the receiver, but I refuse to turn it on. I just have the plane real trimmed out real well. Whoa. Whoa. Almost there, lost it. Almost lost it. Touch and go. It's the touch and go. Bring it in for a nice landing. Right on the grass. How's that? Okay, well that wasn't supposed to happen. Always up elevator when you're taxiing around. Even with, see, that's why we want up elevator. The grass is really knotted today, so we're gonna stay on the taxiway. Up elevator, up and down on the throttle. That's how you taxi. Especially with the tail dragger, you want the plane planted to the ground. When you're taxiing a tricycle, you also want to do up elevator so you don't strike the prop on the ground. Alrighty, that's it for that.